his experiences helped me write this one, called Steady Rain. Well, I knew this woman from Holland in Moscow back in '93. Her name was Anita, but she spelled it with an extra T. It was the wettest June on record, and we pretty much just stayed inside. 2 T's Anita said it was good for the farmers, and I'll allow that she was right. Well, you asked me what I was doing back then, and I know that I can't say. The only thing I can rightly recall is, oh, the steady rain. Well, I did some work in Samarkand, in Almaty and Ashgabat. I don't think it rained once. All those months, man, sometimes I just don't get this job. Well, you could send me to Northern Europe. I'd be happy just to ride a desk, maybe reconnect with 2 T's Anita. That is if she ain't married yet. Yeah, 25 years is a good long run. Maybe I'll just walk away. I don't think they would let me go on account of the steady rain. Well, they say that I'm indispensable, and I'd like to believe that is true. Yeah, but the front lines of this would ever take a toll. Some days I just can't shake these trade craft blues. Well, I heard from my little brother this morning. He lives in Franklin, Tennessee. He knows better than to ask me about the work that I do, but he does because he thinks it bothers me. And Tangier is better than Kiev was, and Kiev was better than Tomsk. Well, my next tour might be Odessa. I hear that's where my people came from. It beats a stint in a suit at Langley, where it's all just shades of gray. I just stand out here in my Macintosh coat amidst the steady rain, the steady rain.